Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to remove viruses from your computer completely and permanently. It's not just a fast scan, but we'll do an in-depth scan and remove these viruses. The first step we'll do is use the built-in Windows Defender. So let's go ahead and go to the built-in Windows Defender. Press start, type in Windows Defender and go down to Windows Defender, or we can go right below here. Click on the Windows Defender icon and then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Go to Scan Options and then we go for a full scan. So the Windows Defender will now scan your computer for any harmful threats or files or viruses. The Windows Defender is good, but it still does not detect some viruses or files which can be harmful for your computer. So for that we'll use other programs which we are about to download now. Open your browser and the first program we'll download is Malwarebytes. So type in Malwarebytes, you just can Google it. I will put the link in the description and go to malwarebytes.com, and next we'll go to free download. This will instantly download the setup to your PC. The next step is we'll download Archangel. So go to Google, type in Archangel, and you see it's from Bleeping Computer. So Archangel is a Windows program which terminates virus and malware processes and threats from your PC. So it terminates processes which can prevent viruses from being detected. We cannot skip this step. So we just need to do this before we scan the computer. So go ahead, click Archangel, go to download now, and this will instantly download the file to your computer. If it does not start right away, just press click here and this will start your downloads. Next up, go to Google again, type in AW Cleaner and go to AW Cleaner. This is also a scan. It's also to scan your computer. So go to free download and this will download the AW Cleaner to your PC. When the download is done, let's go to the download folder where we can see all the programs we have downloaded. So here you can see all the programs that we have downloaded. The first program that we will use is Malwarebytes. So go to the MB setup and double click on it. It will prompt you press yes. It will ask you where are you installing Malwarebytes, on your personal computer or your work computer. So go ahead and press personal computer and press install. The installation can take some time depending on your computer speed. Let the installation, the setup just finish up. After the setup is done, the window will close and an icon will pop up below, a blue M icon, which you can see here. So just go ahead, press the blue icon, and this will open Malwarebytes. Here you can see Malwarebytes, detection history, scanner, and real-time protection. But we will not scan the PC yet. We first need to do Archangel. Archangel is to terminate all these processes before we scan the computer. So go ahead, double click on Archangel. It will prompt to ask you, press yes, and it does not need to installation, it just starts right away. So this is Archangel where you can see what it's already doing on my computer. So it's checking for processes, it's checking for my registry for malware related settings. So let this just finish up. It can take some minutes depending on your computer, and when it is done you will get this message. You should now be able to run your normal security program so that you can scan your computer for infections. A log file will be created named Archangel.txt. So when you see this, just go ahead and press OK, and this will open the log file in Notepad. Here you can see all the things Archangel has done and terminated on your PC. It is not a lot for my computer because I don't have harmful files on my computer, but go ahead and close this. And now we go to Malwarebytes, and then we scan the computer. So here you see how the computer is being scanned. This can take some minutes depending on your computer speed. It won't take too long for my computer, but it can be a different case for you. So let it go and finish it. Let it finish up. And when it is done, it will show you on thread scan summary. It has detected 0 threads on my computer because I don't have anything harmful. It will show you a report. It can be a different case for you where it has a list of all the files it has found. So go ahead and then we'll go to done. Next up is the AW cleaner. So this is also a scanner, but it's just to make sure we have nothing left on the computer which can be harmful for the computer. So go ahead, double click on AW cleaner. It does not need to set up. It just starts right away. It opens right away. This is the AW cleaner, as you can see. So go ahead and press scan now. And this will also check your computer for files, for threads, etc. So let the scan just finish up. Now the scan is complete. You can see it has not found anything on my computer. It asked me for a basic repair, but I don't need to do a basic repair. For you, it may be a list with all the files it has found. So it will ask you to delete this. Or you can just go to the quarantine tab, and here you will see the list of the harmful files. Select all and press delete. When it has deleted all these files, it will ask you to restart the PC. So go ahead and just restart the PC. And when your PC has restarted, it will tell you that your PC is clean now. So that is it, guys. But one last thing I want to say is, if your PC is still slow, it still has damaged files on it, I recommend that you do a clean install of your computer, your software. That is the best way to get your computer in the state it was before, a clean install. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Like, subscribe, and up to the next video.